Hi to me. Hi, Anushka turns 18. I'm already getting so excited, yeah. 39 days. That's like Alman. Hi, Alman. You're so beautiful. Thank you, Shubham Sharma. Thank you. No, Likey is a Singapore app. So just to be clear. And also, all the fake accounts, even on Likey, there are a lot of fake accounts. So even about that, if you there are fake accounts which I get, if I get to know, then we can stop it. But then if not, you can understand, it's 32 million, you can understand that it's me. So yeah. And yeah, 32 million, that's amazing. So thank you for that. Finally you will be able to drive a car. Yeah, man, that was my plan exactly. So after my boards, my plan was to learn driving, get my license after I'm 18, of course. And that's how it was going to be. But then, see, no, now everything is getting delayed except my results, which is going to be in July. So, yeah, it's kind of what's going on. But yeah, after 18, I can drive. So, what? I never imagined that Balbi small gun will become so adorable. Thank you. Thank you so much. What is your best trip till date? I think Singapore. I think Singapore was really cool. Dubai was really. I can't select like a perfect like the best. I think. Oh yeah, there is a best trip. So Hong Kong. Hong Kong was my favorite trip because it was me, my mom and dad, and we went to Disneyland, which was my dream. That it was like a thing I wanted to do it before I turned 13. So yeah, I went to Disneyland. I went to the a lot of places we visited. So I think Hong Kong was the best. Hi Garv, hi Suhana. Come to Indonesia. I do want to. Want to visit Bali. What is the time in India? It's 5:50 right now. Wow, 50 minutes passed away. I didn't realize for some reason. Hi, Vrishti. What's up? What's going on? Have you watched Euphoria? No, I have not. Hi Avika, hi Shiza, hi Ashita. Bali is freaking gorgeous. I know, right? I've seen the pictures. I'm like, bro, I wanna go there. But yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna go. Hi Hiba. And also, like we were discussing earlier, your mental health, it's very important. Please, what happened with Sushant Singh Rajput was really, really heartbreaking, and that's why I was off Instagram for, quite a while. Because I need some time to process the whole thing, and even you know, my management team, Quickie, you know, so Mr. Sameer also passed away that day. So it was really difficult for me to process that. So that's why I was like quite off. But then, I, of course, rest in, may their souls rest in peace. But, it's very important to, take care of your mental health. So, no matter who you speak to, have a, talk with your mom, dad, anybody, just, this should be clear because don't take boj itna zyada. One day it'll be like, it'll be very difficult. So fortunately I have, I have you guys, anytime you'll understand. Like when I was not there on Instagram for like 2 to 3 days, you guys understood and you gave me my space. And when I came back, I saw so many positivity, so much, so many positive comments, so much of positivity. So it, boosted my, confidence, boosted my, you know I got a lot of happiness. I got a lot of peace because, of all the love that I got from you guys. So thank you for that. I have some friends who always, take care of me, and of course, we are there for each other. My parents, I always speak to them. So please do have, conversations with the people you trust. So very important. Sometimes you may feel that everyone is fake around you, but then you'll, slowly you'll find real people. So Just chill, have a chill life. Don't take tension. Do you love maths? I have no issues with maths. It's just not there in my studies anymore. So, yeah. I like maths. It's good. Enjoy. It's fun to an extent. Be cool like Anushka. Yes. Kangana Ranaut is slaying on the internet right now. She's a queen, yeah. Please come to Nepal. Sure. After quarantine lockdown is over, I'm gonna travel so much. And I'm gonna be so grateful for traveling. I miss airport. I miss my airport looks. I miss, the planning. Like you one day, pehle you plan everything. Ki acha, haan. Hi Khushi. I know, bro. Result soon, yeah. And college soon also. Khushi and I, we are gonna go to the same college. So we are waiting for the forms to come out. It's fun. Just see you because I can't say something. What? Huh? Didn't understand. Hi Satpreet. Hi Sejal. Did you hear the Cinderella song? I just finished my online final exams. How nice. Hi to Molly. I don't think she's here. Hi Molly. How are you? Which college? You have to still decide that, right, Khushi? There's a college we're planning to take admission. Let's see. Going on. Yesterday only, not yesterday, even before yesterday, we were planning about college and everything. But yeah, yesterday I got the confirmation that, it's not happening, my exam. So then, yeah, now I can decide. Hi, Paras. Hi, Dheeraj Kumar. Whenever I go to a stationery, I see copies with your pictures in the look of Balveer. What? They still sell that? I didn't know this. They used to have chips also, with the pictures of me and the cast. Like, it was cool, yeah. That time I was like, really cool. उस college की demand बढ़ जाएगी if you say the name, bro. Suggest me some movies, series. Sure, I love doing that. Watch Mad Max. Watch Jolly LLB 2. Oh wow, what a funny picture, yeah. What a funny movie. Did I just say picture? Yeah, but anyways, funny movie. Jolly LLB 2. Khushi's like, shh, yeah. Shh. Yeah. Series, I think Manifest, I've said before. Manifest is really good. Lucifer, if you guys haven't seen. The Vampire Diaries, why not? Friends, why not? What else can you watch? Something new. Okay, let the name come. And just tell you. Do you? Oh yeah. Also, I just remember from the Korean series. Please watch The King Eternal. It is Eternal Monarch. Yeah, The King Eternal Monarch. Me and my mom are big fan of that series. We just love that series to another level. Anushka, please do watch the originals. Many if TVT guys enter that show. I know because Ipshira told me she was watching the originals few days back. Like she completed a few days back. She was telling me to watch. She was trying to convince me. But then because there's Damon is not there and Nina is not there, so that's the reason I don't get motivation. What are you watching currently? I am watching. So I was watching. You laugh at me, but I was re-watching Twilight series, the entire Twilight series. Because why not, right? I like the Twilight series. I used to, but I watched it 5 years back. Then I repeated it after 5 years, like in 2020. So it was the entire Twilight series. उसके अलावा क्या देखा मैंने? Yeah, that's what I said. No, Jolly LLB 2. We were watching on Father's Day. It's quite fun. That is Hindi हो गया. Then Oh, Manifest, can't wait. Oh, Lucifer ka season is coming, by the way, season 5. Take care, Devi. Hi, Sanya. Hi, Iffy. Hi, Rahul. See, you feel me, right? Yeah. Hi, Shreya. Hi, Sakshi. Hi, Prachi. Hi. Did you watch 13 Reasons Why new season? Yes, I did. I forgot to tell you. I watched 13 Reasons Why new season. Oh, watch Outer Banks. Just remember, this came in my mind. Please watch Outer Banks. Super good. Super, super, super good. Not Sanya, bro. Sanaya. It's not Shania, right? It's Sanaya. I don't know. Can you tell me that clearly? I read it Sanya. It was quite easy. But it was like, yes, Ayush, I can see your comments. Hi, Pranjal. Hi, Rabia. Hi, Rishita. Hi, Kritika. Hi, Kritika. What's up? Hey, Molly. What's up? How's everything going on? Not Sakshi. Sak. Oh, Saki. Hi, Saki. I watched day after you recommended me. Really? Did you like it? Okay. Hi, Almira. Hi, Rahul. Hi, Sanaya. Hi, Tasnia. Hi, Ifra. Got deleted many times. Oh. Shania gai, bro. What? It was written that way. That's why I said. You know, Sindra is asleep and she's running in her dreams. So her feet is like moving like that. Can we see her hair flip? Sure. Your recent likey videos I love. Thank you. Thank you so much. Somebody saying it's summer. It's not summer. It's rainy season, by the way. How was the movie Fault in Our Stars? It made me cry. Like, yeah, I got like I got moist eyes like in the end. It's quite sad. There are many Anushkins with similar names. Sanya, Sanaya. Yeah, that's what, right? See? I loved your outfit yesterday's post, dude. It's thank you so much. So guys, it's 6. I'll take your leave now. It's been an hour, but yeah, thank you so much for so much of love, itna positivity, and itna pyar milta hai. I really get really happy. Thank you so much for all the love on Likey, Instagram, everywhere. And I think I would say that I'm really really glad to have you all, as I say always. But take care of yourself, and I know this time is a little difficult for everyone, but please, take care of your mental health, take care of your physical health, and talk to your friends, reach out to them. If they are not reaching out, just reach out, maybe it'll help. So yeah, take care of yourselves, and lots of love. Bye bye. I'm gonna see you all on my YouTube live very soon, and I'll let you know all the deets, and take care. Ciao. See you guys. Bella ciao, remember. But yeah, take care, and